Excel's autofill feature is a pretty amazing one to fill up a range of cell with some auto list, autofill. So if I type January, and then click and drag the fill handler, this autofill feature, it populates the name of the months. In a similar way, if we type Monday or Mon, so Mon it will be Tuesday, Wed, something like that. Now it's not that Excel is inbuilt with this autofill option. You can customize this particular list according to your needs. For Excel older version, I'm using 2007. You need to click on this Office button, then go to this Excel option. From there, in this popular, there is an option for edit custom list. So there are two ways to make the custom list. Either you can click on add and then type in here manually, or what you can do is that you can type all the list manually in here. So vice president, VP, then comes manager, then comes clerk, then comes executive, then comes supervisor, then comes team lead. So we'll be clicking on this file button, that is the office button in older version, Excel option. Remember, in older version this option is present under popular. In newer version of Excel it will be present under advanced, this one. Click on popular and then click on edit custom list, then click on this button and drag all these options up to team lead, then click on this arrow button one more time and then say add. Okay, import. So see, these things has been imported. Now press OK, then OK again. Let's press Ctrl N and see what happens. I will be writing vice president, and in the bracket I will be writing VP. After that, if I click and drag this option, see, manager, clerk, executive, supervisor. In this way you can create a customized autofill option in MS Excel. So that's all for this short Excel tutorial, coders. See you again for some another video.